Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How have you been? Well, today we are going to make another delicious recipe which is blondies. Everybody loves blondies, but this blonde recipe is different. It doesn't have butter, which is something that is not always accessible. It's a little bit healthier. It uses less oil and it's much quicker, and you really don't need any equipment for that. So without further ado, let's go and make it. But before anything, we have to preheat our oven. Here I will preheat my oven to 180 centigrade, and now I'm going to mix my wet ingredients, which is 2 eggs, two eggs. I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. Then just mix it up with a whisk. You don't want to fluff it up too much, just mix it until it's well incorporated. Of course, you can use brown sugar or half brown sugar and white sugar, but here I'm just using white sugar because it's blondies. Just mix it until the sugar and the eggs are well incorporated. That's enough. After you have mixed your egg and sugar, then add 1/3 of a cup of oil. You can use the regular oil or even melted butter, and then mix that well. After it's all well incorporated, then add your dry ingredients, which here I have 1.5 cup of regular flour, and I'm going to sieve that. After sifting the flour, add 2 teaspoons of baking soda plus a dash of salt and vanilla extract. And then it goes my secret ingredients for perfect blondies, which is just a dash of cinnamon. Not too much, just a dash. Like so. It's gonna be about 1/4 of a teaspoon. I'm not even opening my cinnamon holder because I want it to be so little and not just overwhelm it. You know that at this step you shouldn't use electric mixer, just very slowly mix it with your hand whisk and don't rush it. Just start incorporating the flour, and of course you can add the flour in 3 or 4 steps, but it's much easier to add it all at once. It doesn't make much of a difference because this is a blondie and not a very fluffy cake, but continue to mix it until it's a cake batter. Then you can switch to your spatula to make sure that all of the flour underneath is well incorporated. You don't want to miss any flour. Look how many flour has been trapped there. We just don't want that. Okay, now that we have mixed our batter, I'm going to add it to my prepared pan, which I have just lined it with parchment paper. After pouring it into your pan, just smooth it so that it's nice and flat. Okay, now we're going to put it in the oven and bake it around 25 to 30 minutes on 180 centigrade, which is preheated, and then we'll see you back after it's baked. Alright, our blondies are fresh out of the oven. I just let them cool a little bit and they are ready. It was super easy and it is just so blonde, so golden and perfect without using so much butter and so much sugar. You have a perfect blondies that is just amazing for parties, potluck, or just for your enjoyment. Well, if you enjoyed this recipe, which I hope you did, don't forget to tell me in the comments what other recipes you would like me to make. Cakes, cupcakes, or even you have any kitchen conundrums or questions, you can always ask me in the comments. I would love to answer that. And before you go, don't forget to check out my Instagram page, which is right here, and I post new things there too. And also my shorts, which I post a lot of different recipes there, and they're quick and easy. And also, if you like this recipe or enjoyed hanging out with me, I would love it if you could consider subscribing and liking the channel, and even share it with your friends. Well, before you go, I've prepared a video for you here, which is my perfect chocolate cupcake recipe. It's super easy. And also, you can watch my other playlist here, and I will see you later in another video. Bye!